What's up, everybody? This is Steven Palomino with my IAD Week 1 video review of the changes and implementation for my app. Just to clarify, I'll be using my app from last month, so any of the changes will be to that app. So just to clarify, so I'll go ahead and go through the questions here and just answer or explain the app as I go through the questions. So first question, the estimated level of difficulty in implementing the feature. I would say probably the level is between easy and medium. It's not a lot of hard work, just probably more tedious and just a lot of different things. It shouldn't be too hard. There's just a lot to do. So basically what I'm doing is kind of in 3 parts. I'll be changing the game logic. Right now my game is kind of matching the color of a word with what's written. So it'll show maybe red font and it'll say yellow, and you have to put in no or yes if it matches. And right now you've got about 5 seconds to get 10 colors or something like that. So it's not too hard. I'm going to change it to be the progress bar will just get faster and faster. Maybe you have a couple seconds at first, and then it just gets faster as time goes on. So not too hard, just a change there, excuse me. The next thing will be UI changes. Some of the graphics are just kind of not great, so I'll be changing that. Some of the menu buttons, the progress bar will be a little bit more fluid, just to kind of push the tactical immersion a little bit, just to make it a little better so the user's not as distracted. It doesn't look as unprofessional, as unpolished, and the user can just engage a little easier. And the last thing, so first the game logic, second the UI changes, and the last thing is the reward system. I'll be implementing something like ribbons or coins or titles, or maybe a couple of 2 of the above or something like that. And that'll kind of be a 3-part change to the game that should really help with a lot more with the immersion. So the second question, the order in which each part of your immersive element will be implemented. So I'll probably start with the logic of the app first and kind of convert that, and then see what UI changes I want to make after that, and then reward after that. So logic, UI changes, reward system. Last question here, what an ideal implementation would look like. How the user would ideally engage with your immersive element. So ideally it looks a lot, it's very similar, I was thinking, to Flappy Bird. I was comparing it to Flappy Bird earlier and realized there's a lot of similarity. Besides Flappy Bird stays the same throughout the game. My game would get faster and faster, and you're going to die or lose. With Flappy Bird, at least, there's a consistent steadiness, and you only lose whenever you kind of mess up. So I think it will still be pretty challenging, and it will kind of still be immersive and really challenge you to try to get better. So it looks, the ideal immersion or the ideal implementation would look a lot like Flappy Bird. You're going to have really a cleaner UI that helps engage the user, something that won't distract easily. And then obviously, like Flappy Bird, you just tap to keep playing. There's no long system of going back to the menu and then restarting and then play again. It'll just tap to play again, and then you start right away. So that'll hopefully feel a lot more immersive and be a little bit more easy to play and less distracting. So again, my name is Steven Palomino, and this has been my IAD Week 1 video review of my planned implementations. Thanks for watching.